Part 1. Adding the checker pattern. Right on model and select image texture. Load a basic checker pattern image. Select projection mode to ring. Repeat and set to 17 multiplied by 4. Coverage angle to 360. Pattern height 28 and thickness to 0.5. Use the axes on the pattern to adjust the position of the pattern. Click OK to apply the pattern to model surface. Part 2. Picking surfaces for color change. Right-click the model and select Paint. Left-click on the target facets to select them. When finished selection, right-click and choose Separate. Thickness use 2 and choose OK. Exit the paint mode and you should see a new sub-model overlapping the regions just selected. Part 3. Adding an internal purge tower. We made a special internal part for the rocket to act as a purge tower. This will remove color bleeding. For model with larger size or more infill region, the purge tower could be omitted. Load the internal part as child model. Use union as submodel type. UP Studio will align the position automatically. Then change the sub-model type to Purge Tower. Finally, set Purge Tower perimeter to 2 and Purge infill to 100%.